Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and today I want to talk to you about some of your training options when it comes to using Act CRM software. That could be the desktop version or even potentially the cloud version of Act, which has become very popular as we approach 2024. So, when you are an Act CRM user, we offer a lot of things for you. Specifically, I have created more than 550 videos all about Act CRM. They're free videos you can view on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. And what I try to do with this is I try to address things that I think are important for the everyday Act software user. A lot of times I'll answer questions that my clients have asked me. I'll take their questions and say, hey, that's a great video or a great learning moment, and I'll create a video around it. So when I try to train people with Act CRM or help people with Act CRM, one of the things I focus on is how do you use it in your business? Act also offers training videos directly. They have all kinds of training videos in their training library. They have the Act Premium Training Library, and they have other libraries as well, the Act Marketing Automation and the Act Premium Cloud Library. So I urge you to take a look at these. At the end of the day, I think what's really important is that we as an Act software community, the users of Act, the developers, all the people that build their businesses around Act, we need to support one another. If we can help people use Act more productively and effectively in their business, that's a good thing. My experience has been, and what I do when I work with my clients, is sometimes I work with them to teach them the things they do not need to do. In other words, software has a lot of shiny things, a lot of things you can do. And my experience has been, don't always use every aspect of Act. Sometimes it's the things you don't do that are the best way to learn about using Act. So if you look at some of my videos, I have a podcast, you have so many learning options here to become good at Act. What I do as an Act certified consultant is I work with people individually to try to interpret all the information that's out there. Yeah, I have more than 550 videos. Act has a ton of videos. And sometimes if you're a do-it-yourselfer, this is perfect. But if you need to get jump-started, if you really need help and where to go and how to get going with Act, that's where I really can help. I try to interpret your needs, tell me your story, tell me what it is you need, and I'd be more than happy to work with you. So again, the Act training videos are available, my videos. And last but not least, I have been teaching people about computers for more than 20 years. And I also have another YouTube channel called Teach an Old Dog New Tricks. And these are training videos that are mostly focused on beginners and things such as Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. I also have some older QuickBooks videos in here. But the bottom line is this. I remember what it was like to learn software many years ago. And I want you to have a great experience using the software. My goal here is to make it so you have a great experience with Act software and all the related software around it. At the end of the day, it's all about you. It's all about your business, being productive, the people you support in your business, your employees, your family. If I can make this a better experience for you, one way or the other, that's my goal. And I hope you have a great experience. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so very much, my friends. You have a great day and be well. Bye now.